Hey scholars, welcome back. This week we're going to be learning about the 3 states of matter. Everything around you is made up of matter. We have solid, which has a definite shape and volume. Particles are packed real close together. This is solid, this is solid. Then we're going to look at liquids. Liquids take the shape of a container, and the particles have a little bit of space to move around. They're not as close as solids, they have a little bit more space. And then the third thing we have is gas, which has no shape or volume, and the particles have lots of room to move around. There's nothing holding these babies together. Okay, scholars, what I have here is a glass, and we know it's a solid. In the solid, I put a liquid, which then took the shape of the glass. So let's see what happens when I pour this liquid into this tall tube. Now it's taken the shape of the tall tube. Now we're going to take our graduated cylinder here, and we're going to pour this liquid, yellow liquid, into an ice cube tray. Now I borrowed my daughter's Llama ice cube trays that have lots of different shapes. We see that this is solid. Now we're going to take the liquid and we're going to pour it right into the ice cube tray. Now, you want to take a guess what I'm going to do next? I've used a liquid. I want to make this into a solid. So I've got to get the particles to get close together and get real tight. What should I add? Cold or heat? Okay, I hope you said we need cold. So I put the ice cube trays in the freezer for a couple of hours and left them in there. Remember, we took our yellow liquid, we put it into our graduated cylinder, and then we put it into the ice cube tray, which was a solid. Now, let's see what happened to our liquid. Can liquid stand up by itself? Nope, it became a solid. So by adding cold, we compacted the molecules and stuck them together to make this a solid. Now, I took a liquid, I froze it adding cold to make it a solid. What do you think I would need to make a gas? If I put my little llamas into the pot, they're still a solid. The pot has definite shape. The llamas are solid, so they have definite shape. If I added cold, now I'd need to add heat. So we're going to take this pot over to the stove, and because I'm an adult, I can do this, and I'm going to turn the stove on, and we're going to see what happens. Come on. Okay, now you can see that we have taken the ice cubes, we added our heat, we made it into a liquid, and you should be able to see the steam rising up. If I stick my face in there long enough, I can't even see you because my glasses are all fogged up. If I clear them away, the gas is gone. So here's our steam coming out again as a gas. So the molecules now are really moving. Can I catch them? No, I can't. So we went from a liquid to a solid to a gas. And our liquid that became a solid went back to becoming a liquid and then back to a gas. Now, here's your homework. How many things do you have around your house that are solids, liquids, and gases? How many things are outside? How many things in your body? My middle school students, do not tell me that air is a gas. I want you to break it down. Tell me what elements are making up what we breathe. Make a chart, and I want to see your results. Have a great day.